welcome out to, what is this, Escondido? This morning, where were we? Escondido. So we didn't move anywhere. Alright, welcome out to Escondido, and we're known as Tipanie o Patitifa, and we're here to just kind of hang out with you as all the old cars go by. We want to perform some old Hawaiian songs for you, stuff like that. We want to thank the Wave Shop for having us here, Charlie and the brothers. Sharing you some Hawaiian hula, that's why these girls are here. Beautiful young ladies. Here to share with you a little tune we call the Aloha Week Hula. Little hula flirts in the hula skirts, winking at the boys in aloha shirts, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula. Around the island, mount by mount, take the detour, Hawaiian style, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula. For a brand new step, you try to match, choo-choo walking in the taro patch. Clap your hands, music is grand, you can on me with the boys in the band. Beat that drum, dum-dee-dum, little, it's a lot of fun, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula. Hula first in the hula skirts, winking at the boys in the aloha shirts, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula. Around the island, mile by mile, take the detour in Hawaiian style, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula. Oh, a brand step, you try to match, to walking in the taro patch. Clap your hands, music is grand, you need to on with the boys in the band. I beat that drum, dum-dee-dum, wheel in the middle, it's a lot of fun, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week Hula, that's the way they do. The Aloha Week